Looking for Dyson Cyclone V10 to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, the most powerful suction of any cord-free vacuum. Tested to ASTM F558 against cord-free stick market. Up to 60 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool by Dyson. Number 2, the soft roller cleaner head removes fine dust and large debris from hard floors. Has 3 power modes to choose from to suit any task on any floor type. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Cord-Free Vacuum quickly transforms to a handheld for quick cleanups, spot cleaning and cleaning difficult places. Another great product by Dyson. Number 3, Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Cord-Free Vacuum has a 40% bigger bin than our previous Dyson V8 Animal Vacuum for the big cleans. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.